Hey what's up? Make sure to like and subscribe because we've got something you'll love. Fidgets. Okay, so today I've got something amazing planned for you, and I'm going to be rating all of my fidget toys. All store-bought ones, not my made ones. I'll do that in another video. Okay, so you know how the fidget toy range started a while ago? Yeah, a while ago. And it's still up. Well, I've got a lot of fidget toys from that. And today, we will be rating them. All of them. The store-bought ones. Okay, so, first up, we've got this. I'm not sure what it's called. A lot of these I actually got from this party bag, like this one, but some of them I got from other things. Yeah. So yeah, these are kind of cool. They're weird. And I'm not sure how I feel about these. I don't know how to clip them together, so that. And all that's really good about them is their clicky sound, but fidget toys are really good when they're quiet, because then you could sneak them at places. I'm not thinking of sneaking them into school. They're pretty amusing, so there's a point for that, but I think I'm gonna give these like a 6 out of 10. Yeah, so these are good. Next up, we've got this. I actually got this one today, because my mum gave me pocket money today, and I went out and got 2 fidget toys. The next one will be the other one that I got. This is the first one. It's corn. Nothing weird, just corn. Squishy corn that I love with all my heart. I like that. What more would you want? It's corn. Everything. It's amazing. It's one of my favourite foods. I want to eat it, but the problem is, I can't. Oh, that smell really smells weird. So I think I'm going to give this an 8 out of 10, because Jiggly's Wiggly smells bad. I can't eat it. The Jiggly Wiggly bit actually makes it good. It's squishy corn. So what more would you want? Everything. Okay, you'd want a lot of things, but I just like this. It's good. So 8 out of 10. Next one. So as I said, I got those two today. But I want to show you a trick. Pretty cool with this. So you see that the blue one's up? Well, I turn it down and then that sounds so good. I love that sound. It sounds so good. I really like it. Can you hear it? I love it. So this is easily a 10 out of 10. Which leads us to our next one, his brother. This one has a better sound to it, but it's smaller and I like to feel something big. I can't do the trick with it with the other one because look at this. Oh wait, I can. Oh, that's good. That is nice. Listen to this. Can you hear that? Ooh. Oh, I really like that. This one is a 10 out of 10. Which means this one's actually a 9. Because it's better than that one. Next up is something, I'm not even sure if it's a fidget toy or not. This. I don't think this is actually. I just found it from the party bag and was like, okay, it might be. So, 3 out of 10. It's just not a fidget toy. Sorry about that. And then, next one. These are pretty cute. It's just, I don't really like the feel to them. They kind of make me feel even worse. They're not stress relieving at all. So, I'm just going to do these quickly. I'm going to say 5 out of 10. Okay. Okay, on to the next one. Oh, and after this, the next one is actually broken, so just giving you a reminder. So, this is the fidget spinner. I think this is how they all started, the fidget toy rage. As you can see, I'm obsessed with it. It's a Pac-Man one. I won it at the East Show. If you don't know what that is, you're probably not in Australia or Sydney. Because I'm Australian. I love sausages. Not all Australians love sausages. I do, but not all. Okay. So I think, because this is how they all started, I'm going to give this a 7. Okay? Okay? Capiche? Capiche? And then this is the broken one. As you can see, it's the P1, but one of them, the dog one isn't there. The dog one's broken. These are pretty hard to pop out, so that minuses a point. But overall, I think these are pretty good. They're cute, and they're cute. And they're a fidget toy. Okay, so I think that means I will be giving it a 8. An 8. Next one is one we all know about, the Poppets. We all love these. No one hates these. They're the best. They're beautiful. I'm amazing. These are really awesome. That was my cat. 10. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. Last one. This is what my friend actually gave me, and I'm not even sure if it's a fidget toy. I just think it's cool. It's satisfying. It's amazing. I think 9. Okay, so I think that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much if you liked and subscribed, because that really supports the channel. Goodbye, see you later.